TCS last week, over the Sunday, got rid of 12,000 employees. Yes, TCS, that bellwether of Indian IT services companies, where the mantra, as CP Gurrani put it, was always "Kitne aadmi the?" Yes, Infy के पास 4-5 लाख आदमी, TCS के पास उससे 1 लाख आदमी ज्यादा. It was always a head count game. Billing was largely dependent on headcount because IT services in India, with its outsourcing of business processes, coding, testing, documentation, so much grunt and above grunt work was what Indian IT companies were great aptitude for. Times are changing. This is the first signal of 12,000 employees. Yes, TCS put it as not AI driven. In fact, it is a mismatch of skill sets versus future requirements. A nice way to put it, Mr. Kirtivasan, but that is how the IT business is. Requirements keep evolving. It's a dynamic field and one needs to reset. Well, a bunch of more resets coming, including companies like HCL have also queued this. So the traditional roles, testing, documentation, low-level coding, these of course will become redundant. It will shrink the numbers. But the key thing is also IT companies like TCS are also preparing for dynamic business condition shift. That's why most of the positions they have let go are not the low-level testers and coders. It is the people in middle management, the 30, 40, 50 lakh per annum high-cost guys, the project manager level people who really enjoyed a glorious 20 years in the IT industry in its boom time. Well, a lot of these guys in their 40s and 50s, including a few of my cousins, now find themselves redundant. A couple of them have been jobless for multiple years. This is the big reset, not just of the industry, it is of the people who rode this wave. It is a big reset for them too. And please bear in mind the 25, 27 price earning multiples of IT services companies in this shrinking environment, plus the post-COVID boom now tapering off. I think most people are guiding for low single digits revenue growth. It's also time for revaluing IT stocks. My disclaimer is that I had sold most of my Infy, HCL, Tech Mahindra holdings. I had hung on to TCS because बिल्कुल नहीं चला था दूसरों के मुकाबले. Unfortunately, I still hold some TCS in this turbulent times. Not very happy about that, but I trust the Chennai company. It has ridden many waves and situations in the past. It will come out stronger, but in a wholly changed new IT environment.